Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought we could have a little chat about what's been going on in the beauty community on YouTube for the past couple of months. Am I the only one who is sick and tired of it all? I'm so bored of it. I'm so over it. I'm so sick and tired of the beauty community being described as a handful of people as well. I'm not part of that group. I don't know why so many people that watch YouTube videos think that influencers, by the way, I hate the term influencer. I find it so pretentious. Whenever somebody has described me as an influencer, I'm like, I'm just a beauty YouTuber. This is what I do for fun. This is my hobby. There's no hidden agendas. I'm not using this channel as a way to make myself famous or become a multi-millionaire, and there is nothing to it other than my love of makeup and wanting to share it all with you guys. I am the same person that I was however many years ago when I was in my 20s when I first started this channel, because of the fact that there was not that much representation for women of colour. Obviously, fast forward, now the market is completely saturated with loads of people like me. But I have still kept true to myself in doing videos that I know that you guys will want to watch, as well as videos that I want to share with you guys. Now, I know that there are so many people out there that have felt misled, lied to by different YouTubers on YouTube. It's like, who can you trust anymore? Who do you trust anymore? You don't know sometimes what people's real agendas are, constantly using makeup products that they have been paid to promote to you guys. I mean, I know it's hard, it's difficult, but I just want to let you guys know from my point of view as somebody who, you know, has always been completely honest. I've actually been dropped by a couple of companies when I was on their PR list because I was stupid enough to give an honest review, because at the end of the day, I don't have a hidden agenda. I have a full-time job. I work 40 hours a week. This is just for me, for fun. I make money off of YouTube, but it ain't much. It's like $1,000 a year. What's that? What's that if you break it down over 12 months? I'm being completely honest with you guys. That's the money that I make off of YouTube. That does not subsidize my lifestyle. It does not pay my bills. It does not pay for my petrol. It does not pay for my anything. It pays for a tiny little fraction of things, and sometimes I will use the money I've made from YouTube to buy new products. A lot of the time when people ask me to do a review on this or that, the reason why I don't is because I'm paying for it out of my own pocket. I always tell you guys when something has come from another company, and I've never lied to you guys. I've got no reason to lie because I don't have any kind of hidden agenda. I'll be so honest with you that if tomorrow something happened and I suddenly got 1 million subscribers and I was earning a ton of money, ain't nothing gonna change. I'm still gonna be telling you the complete and utter truth. I am never going to quit my full-time job. I love what I do. There's a reason why I put myself through God knows how many years of education, put myself into debt to do a degree, and then to carry that forward into a job that I love. I may end up one day eventually starting up my own makeup brand. That's something that I have considered in the past, but I need the time to be able to do that. And that's just purely because I love business. I enjoy business. My passion is business, and that is my degree is in business. I'm a marketing manager. I want to apply the things that I have learn in theory into practice. I work for a small company. I understand how it is being self-employed because I work for somebody who is self-employed, and I understand that a lot of these big YouTubers, it is self-employment, but they take the bloody piss. I mean, when Marlena was saying in her video, Marlena from Makeup Geek, that somebody was asking her for 60 grand to do a video to use their product. I remember I did a video not long ago for Deck of Scarlet. Do you remember? I did a makeup tutorial. They asked me to do it. What do you think I got out of it? I didn't even get a thank you. Forget about 60 grand. I didn't even get a thanks. This is a company that contacted me, and this is the way that it works. A company will contact you, say that, oh, you know, this is our latest product, whatever. Would you be able to do a video or a review or something like that? That's how they hook you in. They don't say anything other than that. So you think, oh, it'll be nice to try out some new makeup. Why not? So you say yes. Then they sent me back a 3-page document. 3 pages, 3 A4 pages of guidelines. Guidelines, yeah? You must say this. You must say this word. You must show the front, the back, the side, upside down of the product. You must show swatches on your hands. You must hang upside down from a lampshade and swing the palette through the air, that sort of thing. They give you so many rules that basically your entire video is dictated by them. That, to me, that doesn't work for me. And I also think that because I did what I wanted, because I did actually do what I wanted with that video, I was like, all right, your guidelines, the fact that you're getting exposure on my channel should be enough. The palette was good, there was nothing wrong with it. But I just didn't like the attitude and the assumption that you're going to use somebody's platform to push yourselves forward, and you are going to then dictate what every single thing that they say, they do. It doesn't become them anymore. It won't be Charlena anymore. It'll be Deck of Scarlet. Do you know what I mean? And then that makes me think that I can't be trusted because I am basically saying what somebody else wants me to say, but not my actual thoughts and beliefs. So I am always going to just remain that person. I just don't like people telling me what to do. I've always been like that. I'm a control freak, which is a good thing and a bad thing sometimes, but this is my channel. I want to put what I want to put on here. This is my little thing that I work hard for, that I'm proud of. Of course, I'm not saying that I don't listen to what you guys want, because you are my viewers, but with all due respect, ain't no one here paying my bills. I'm paying my own bills through the hard work that I do in my full-time job. This is for fun. When it starts to become serious and pressurized and that sort of thing, I'm out. I'm off ski. I'm out to live my life and do as I want to do and live my life as an individual, independent person. Not somebody that is restricted and bogged down by rules and regulations and all these other things and insinuations and assumptions. And that's the reason why so much stuff I just don't even show on social media. My personal life, a lot of it I don't show. I would say out on social media I actually show 5% of my real life, because it's mine. You know, this is not about people's private business, because this is another thing. People are getting dragged all over the internet for their private views and those sort of things, and in the end it doesn't become about the love of makeup anymore. It just becomes a giant drama, and I'm over the drama, man. I'm not interested in your drama. I don't care if you swore about behind somebody's back, and you said this behind someone's face, and you signed this contract about that, and you lied about this, and oh my god, whatever. I think I can speak on the majority of people that we are so over everybody's my side of the story videos. And I'm really tired of hearing about people getting annoyed with influencers for going on free trips, and why are you hating on them? If somebody offered me a free 20 grand trip, you think I'm gonna say no? But you, as the viewer, as the consumer, need to use a little bit of common sense and take a little bit of accountability and responsibility yourself, that if you know that that person has been taken on a trip, they are going to say constantly positive things. Use this a bit and use your own judgment. Is that person saying good things about this product because they've been given a free trip? Yeah, of course. Come on. You don't need to be told that. You don't need to then be told, oh, they're lying to me. You know, use your own common sense. Do your own research. Watch channels and watch videos of people that you know you can trust, that won't lie to you, that will tell you exactly how it is. Stop getting annoyed at YouTube brands and brands as well. Brands will do anything to get you to buy their product, even if it means selling their mum. They will do whatever it takes to undercut the next person, and they will use YouTubers to get there, especially ones which have got very, very large followings. It's also the brands that are complicit in the way that you view things on the internet. I totally understand a lot of people's frustrations. I actually stopped watching a lot of the larger YouTubers quite a long time ago, and in all honesty, I don't actually watch that much YouTube as I used to do. And I know that sounds very hypocritical of somebody who is a YouTuber, but it takes me long enough making my own videos and editing them and putting them up on time to then dedicate time to watch other people's. It's the same goes for like Instagram influencers. Do you think that all those outfits that they wear, that they would actually wear, or they're getting paid 50 grand a post to wear them? Take everything with a pinch of salt. Understand that people need to make their money to pay their bills, and they will undercut you. They will lie to get that money, because that is how human nature is. Now, there is a very big difference between people that have got a little bit of integrity, that will turn things down, as opposed to those people out there that will try any toot just to get a bit of money. I got this brand that's always contacting me about watches. I don't even wear a watch. I have nothing to do with watches. But they're offering me money as well. Have I said yes? Nope. I don't wear your watches. I don't wear watches. I get rashes on my wrists. I don't wear them. Plus, even if I did, the watches are ugly. Why am I going to approach something that I won't wear to you guys? See, that's the difference between me and somebody that will put on an outfit with a giant cat on it just so that they can make some money. Just remember one thing, and one thing only. A YouTuber's success is not down to them. It's down to you, the viewer. You are their boss. You are in charge. And that is the same with brands. A brand's success is determined by you, the consumer. Not anybody else. It's down to you. A brand can go downhill within 2 minutes because nobody buys their stuff anymore. So when you want to blame YouTubers, yes, I think you should to an extent for certain things, but then also realize how you are complicit in it as well. If that you are then going to buy things that they say are great, even if they're not, keep your eyes open. Pay attention to whether these people use these brands again and again and again and again. Try things out yourself in store. I know that not everybody has the luxury of me, like me, living in London. I've got every single store on my doorstep. I can buy whatever I want, whenever I want. I can order something today and click and collect it and pick it up tomorrow. But the difference between me and all these other YouTubers who are surrounded by sponsorships and ads and all that kind of stuff is that I will buy things from my own pocket. And I will never lie because I have no reason to lie. What have I got to lose exactly? They have got a lot to lose. I have nothing to lose. So why would I lie? Lying is not going to get me anywhere. But I'm going to finish this video on this note. Do what you want to do. Buy what you want to buy. Follow who you want to follow. But take everything with a pinch of salt. Don't be influenced by what everybody says. Pay attention. Listen to different people's views. If you know that somebody is on a PR list, remember, why are they on their PR list even though you bought something from that brand which is actually crap? And then remember these things. There are people out there that you can genuinely trust. I can hand on my heart say, as Lisa says, you can trust me. And you know you can trust me because when have I ever let you guys down? Ever. And on that note, I'm going to end it. Beauty community, can you please just shut up here? We've had enough of your dramas, your nonsense, your personal lives, your this, that and the other. We just want to watch you putting on makeup, creating beautiful looks that we can then copy or buy ourselves. That's it really. Oh, on my lips I'm wearing a Makeup Geek Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade Cougar. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment. Let's talk about this. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.